Okay, let's learn how to use Google Street View on Google Maps. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is you're gonna get on your phone and go to your Google Maps app, and that's gonna help you get into Street View. So if you're wanting to go into Street View, it's gonna look something similar to mine, and you're going to figure out the location that you want to get into Street View at. So there's two ways to do that. You can either zoom in and find the location that you want to go, or you can type it in. So I've already typed in one before. I'm gonna go to the Googleplex, because why not? It's Google Video. Might as well check their base out. So you're going to go into here and you're going to find it difficult to get into Street View. There's no clear reason. You can click this little square over here, and then that will take you to the location that's closest, and that's okay. But there's an easier way to do it. So that's what I want to show you. So go ahead and go to the top right and click the little layers icon, and then you're gonna hit Street View. And then bam, that's so much easier. It's gonna give you every single option possible to get into Street View, and then tap anywhere you want to go, and then it's gonna split your phone screen in half. That's okay, just max that puppy out, drag that down. You can pull it all the way to the bottom if you want, and then you can move around just like you can on the street. You're gonna have these little arrows. You can click these arrows, figure out the location that you want to go, the direction, and then from there you can also turn your thing around, go the opposite way. You just have to click on the thing and just depend where you want to go. So if you want to get even deeper into this and actually have an easy way to like navigate and stuff, I recommend getting on your computer. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so once you're on your computer, doesn't matter if it's a PC, doesn't matter if it's a Mac, it's all the same. So just go ahead and go to google.com and then go to the place you want to go. So you can just paste your address in, or if you're trying to look at a specific location, go ahead and type in the location in there. It's going to pull up, and then you're going to go over to the option that says maps. So that is key. Go to maps, and then it will take you exactly where you want to go. So if we're trying to look at the Empire State Building, we're wanting to go over there. We want to be able to get to Street View. So click the satellite over, or the options over here. It's going to give you the satellite option. You're going to hit more, takes you to Street View. Very similar to the phone. You're going to get that extra Street View, and it's going to give you all the options to be able to zoom in. And if there's some locations that even have special things, like you saw right here, gives you kind of a aerial footage of that. So we're going to scroll all the way deep in here, and then we're going to get our little guy on the bottom right, and we're going to drag him onto the street. Usually I don't drag people onto the street, but in this case, I think it's okay. So go ahead, cycle around. You can use your cursor to click forward and click backwards, and that's going to let you be able to connect and see different streets. You can move your mouse around, click and drag just to be able to do other things and move around. You can zoom by using your scroll wheel. So do a little scroll out, a little scroll in. Okay, you get the point. So if you're done looking at the Street View and you want to see inside the building that you're looking at, go ahead and hit that X. Then you're going to see these spheres. Call them spheres, but they're definitely circles. And it's the reason why they call them spheres is because they do a little 360 sphere view. So go ahead and grab your guy, put him on the edge of the Empire State Building, drop him in there. Okay, yeah, this is not, hey guys, definitely not what I would love to see if I was scared of heights, but it's pretty cool. So go ahead, check this out, drop your little dude all over the place, figure out where you can go, check out some awesome cool places. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.